In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to read Webull charts. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your trading skills, understanding these charts is crucial for making informed investment decisions. To get started, open the Webull app on your mobile device or the desktop platform. Choose a stock or asset you're interested in analyzing. Once you have your asset selected, you'll see the chart that provides a visual representation of the asset's price movements over time. The first thing to notice is the chart type. Most traders prefer using candlestick charts. These charts are highly informative as they display the opening price, closing price, highest price, and lowest price during a specific time period. This makes it easier to identify potential trends and market sentiment. Next, you'll want to select a time frame for the chart. Options range from 1 minute to 1 week. Shorter time frames are typically used by day traders seeking to capitalize on quick movements, while longer time frames are favored by swing traders or those investing with a longer horizon in mind. Your choice here should align with your trading strategy and goals. Pay close attention to the chart colors. In most Webull charts, green candles are used to indicate price increases, while red candles signify price decreases. This color coding allows for a quick visual assessment of how the asset has been performing during the selected time frame. Just below the chart, you'll find the volume bars. These bars show the number of shares traded during each period and can provide insight into the strength of buying or selling activity. Higher volume often signals strong interest in the asset, whether buying or selling, which can be crucial for confirming trends. To further enhance your analysis, consider adding technical indicators. Webull offers a range of options like moving averages, the relative strength index (RSI), the moving average convergence divergence (MACD), and the volume weighted average price (VWAP). These tools help in understanding price trends and momentum. Webull also provides flexibility with its chart settings. You can zoom in to focus on specific data points, switch between different chart styles, and customize indicators to suit your analysis needs. Exploring these features can help you tailor the charts to your trading strategy. By combining chart patterns, volume analysis, technical indicators, and timeframes, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of market movements and identify promising trading opportunities. And that's how to read Webull charts. Happy trading!